I create a folder. Folder. First, I create a project. The project name is counter 10. But the project is empty. Is empty. The second, I create a new new file. I use the Verilog HDL to design the circuit. Verilog HDL. The project name must be counter 10. It is the same with the project name. Project name. The name must be same with the project name. We save the project. We save the program. We save the program. The program, the file name must be the counter 10. Counter 10 must be. So in this design, the project name, the program name, and the file name must be same. Must be same. Not please. Not please. The three names must be same. One is project name. Another is program name. The last name is file name. File name. File name. The file name must be the counter 10. Counter 10. Then we compare the program. Compare. Okay. Okay, the compilation is successful. Successful. We simulate the program. This is a clock signal. This is a synchronous clean. When it is a low level, the output signals are 0. So we must set high level. But the start time set the set low level. There are output signals. We change the format to decimal. Binary change decimal. Save the simulation file. Start simulation. This is it is the result of the simulation. Simulation. Look here. The counter count the number from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So we know the program is the design of the counter value 10. Counter value 10. Counter value 10. So our design is successful. Through the simulation wave, we know the design is successful. Then we can create the symbol for the program. We can create the symbol for the program. Not my operate. Not operation. Not my operation. Operation. Double click the program name to display the program. If you don't to do this, for example, you must double this project name to display the program. Then clean the file to find out the this menu and choose this create simple files for current file. So create a symbol file was successful. Create. We create a symbol for this program. Then I will use this symbol later. I will use the symbol later. Symbol later. 好。If we display the count result in 7-segment display, if we display the result in 7-segment display, we need a 7-segment decoder circuit. If we want to display the result in the 7-segment display, this is the 7-segment display. We must need to design a 7-segment decoder. This is a 7-segment decoder. Decoder. This is it's a program of the circuit. This not place module 译码器decoder in is input signals out is output signal input signal is 4-bit widths 4-bit widths the out is 7-bit widths signal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 output always at because the circuit is combination logic, so the sensitive signal is the input signal. Sensitive signal is the input signal. So in is the sensitive signal. Because this circuit is a combination logic circuit. So the input signal is a sensitive signal. Is a sensitive signal. Begin. This is a case statement. Case statement. We check the input value, input signal value. We check. When the input signal value is 0, 1 2 3 4 5 to 9 the out equal this is the truth table of the circuit 这个呢就是这个电路的真值表或者叫功能表function table function table or truth table this when input equal input signal value equal 0 0 0 0 output signal equal 0 这个啊the display 0 啊 display 0 and so on and so on. So the case check the input signal value check the value. When the value equal 0, the output signal equal 0 that's equal this value 这个值 value and so on 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 1 1 2 3 4 9 the output signal equal this this case and case and we put the program into the design software we need to create a new project name we need to create a new project name this folder this folder QQ folder QQ folder the project name is 一码器project name is 一码器 choose no this is a new project name new project name the project is empty then we open the file we need to create a new file choose this Verilog HDL this name must be same with this name this I save this program I save the file name must be 一码器the name must be same with the program name and the project name okay the name and the file name must be same then we compile this program compile okay the compilation was successful we may to verify the program by the simulation wave. But in order to save the time, I omit the step. I omit the step. We may verify the program by simulation wave. But in order to save the time, I omit the step. I omit. Then I will create the symbol for program. For the program. Not please. If you display the program here, you don't create the symbol. For example, now I don't display the program here. I open, create. Not please. See here. When you don't display the program here, if you don't display program here, you open the menu, create. See here, the menu is not used. It is gray. 它是灰色的就不能用。So if you want to create a symbol for this program, you must display the program here. You must double click to display the program here. Then you open, create. The menu is black. It use it may use 它是可用的Great. Okay. The symbol fail was successful. I will use the symbol later. I will use the symbol later. Later. Okay. This design. We know we have two circuits in the design. We have we have two circuits in the design. Count circuit and 7-segment decoder circuit. Now we need a circuit to connect the two circuits. We need a circuit to connect the two circuits. The circuit is called top circuit. The circuit is called top circuit. Not please. What is the top fair? What is the top circuit? What is the top circuit? We know in the design we have two circuits. One is count circuit. Another is 7-segment decoder circuit. We need a circuit to connect the two circuits. The circuit is called top circuit. Usually, we design the top circuit in schematic. Usually, we design the top circuit by schematic method. I will show you the process of the top circuit design. Not please. Not please. We need create a new project. Choose yes. In the QQ folder. In the QQ folder. Top. Top. Counter top. The project name is counter top. Choose no. This is a new project name. This is a new project name. This is a new project name. The name is countertop. Then we create a new file. But in the new file, we choose this schematic file to design the top file. We choose this schematic method to design the top circuit. Choose this. Open. Double click. Not please. This is the library. The library is provided by Cortex by design software. This library is provided by design software. This library is created by you. Open. This is counter 10 symbol. This is 7 decoder, 7 segment decoder circuit symbol. not please, connect connect this and this signal. We must be use this two this two 啊 ，this two is 粗线啊，粗的啊，粗的怎么说？这是细的啊，this and this is different different 啊，is different 啊，这个是细的啊，细线。And this is 这是粗线啊。Here we must use this 啊，because this is the more bit y 啊signal. This is the more bit signal 啊 signal. This is the more bit signal 啊。The two represent more bit signal 啊。This two represent a bit 1 bit signal 啊，1 bit signal 啊。So here we must be use these two啊。好 ，OK 啊 ，OK，not please 啊。This output pin represent 7 bit signal 啊。This output pin represent 7 output signals. So we must be name by this format 啊，by this format 啊，output 6 point 0。This format represent 7 output signals 啊。好 ，save 啊。Count 10 top 保存 OK 啊。this file this design is the top circuit of the counter 10 counter 10 this is the counter 10 circuit. This is the 7 segment display decoder circuit we must use the top file to connect this circuit and this circuit so this circuit is called top circuit top circuit 康派 Okay, the combination was successful. Successful. We can check the logic. Use the simulation wave. The output signal are 7 signal. 7。不对 ，no，是这个。哦，yes，哎呀。So this is the result. This the result. 因为这个结果呢是一个7段一码器的结果because the result is the seven segment display so 所以它的逻辑你看着好像是没有什么规律因为它这个逻辑输出的是一个7段一码器的结果The result is the 7 segment decoder7 segment decoder 这个结果呢是7段一码器的结果The result is the 这个是这个的结果。这个7段一码器的结果呢，那么大家看看，这个7段一码器是这个结果它是没有规律的，所以你看着好像比较乱它是这个结果。It is the result of this this result。所以这个仿真的波形不要觉得不对不要觉得不对因为这个结果是7段一码器的结果所以它看着好像不对一样的，但是它是对的看着好像没有规律，因为这个结果是一个 the result is the 7 segment decoder so it is right 它是正确的so 所以this is the all design of the circuit it is the all design of the circuit of the circuit. One there are 3 circuits in the design. One is the counter. One is the 7 segment decoder circuit. The last one is the top circuit. top circuit. So it is the old design of the circuit. 好。The next, I will talk about the counter, the counter with the counter value more than 10. The first counter with the counter value less than 10. Less. Next, I will talk about the counter with counter value more than 10. For example, the counter value is 30. 30. This is the counter with counter value 30. 30. This is the program. Look here. Module name. Clock. Q is the output signal. Reset is the synchronous clean. Input clock reset. Output Q. Now, why do we define the output signal? The wide is the 5 bit. 5 bits. Why? We define the 5 bits widths of the output signal. Why? Because
count is 30.
为什么
？Because 30 老师。
Yes. Because the max counter value is the 30. The 30. Because the 30 equal OK 30 2的5次方32。10是吧？10不对，那等于2的4次方。2的4次方等于多少？2的4次方
110老师
等于多少？我一下还算不出来了。等于11是吧？哎呀，不管了啊，反正它就
110。
11110OK. Because the decimal 30 equal binary 1110. So the output signal must define the 5 bit widths. 5 bit 5 bit widths so OK. The width is a 5 bit binary 5 bit binary so the next step is the same with the last one with the last program this is synchronous clean else Q. This is the master counter value because this is 30, so the max counter value is 39. 39. Okay. This is counter with counter value more than 10. But I have a question. If we want to display this result of counter, if we want to display the result of the counter, how to connect the 7-segment decoder? How to connect the 7-segment decoder 能不能直接连呢？能不能直接？Do we connect the 7-segment decoder directly? 能不能直接呢 ？Directly.
Maybe not.
Do we connect the 7-segment decoder directly? 能不能呢？ The answer is no. 能不能直接连呢 ？No. Because a 7-segment display can display one decimal number. One 7-segment display can display one decimal number. But the output is 5 bit binary number. 5 bit binary number. So we must separate the result into 2 decimal digital. We must separate this result into 2 decimal digitals. Follow me to write the 那个the program module. No 这个地方我们要改成一个this number represent 代表个位数怎么说个位represent 1 place of result once place of of result the QB represent 10th place of of the result. Not please. This steps is the same last program, but we need the next step for the QB and QA. Okay. This is the all of the program. So we define two digital to represent the ones place of the result ones 就十进制的个位QA 代表十进制的个位 QB result represent tenth place of the result so QA and QB is a 4-bit binary to represent one decimal number, one decimal. To this and this represent one decimal digital, one decimal digital. We define a variable for the count for the count this variable is 5 binary 5，因为它是代表的模30的计数器嘛，所以仍然是5位5位的二进制the statements are same with last program last the result is the result is 5-bit binary D out is 5-bit binary number so last we write 2 states to separate the result into the two decimal digitals for example for example for example if the out equal 18 18 so we use 2 statements to separate the 80这个除10 this equal QA this 它上的10嘛and this digital equal QB so 这是一个除法，这是一个取余这是除法，这是取余 so QA equal 这个的这个商the QB equal 这个除完了之后的余数 so we use the method to separate the D out into 2 decimal digitals 所以这个 QA QB 就出来了好 we put the program into the software software这叫什么 这个叫那个 major-EIE 的这个。还是这么多的这个。No, the format is wrong. 哎，the format is wrong 啊，format。啊，好，等我要修正一下啊。 This keyword is wrong 啊。哎呦，哎，今天这个就过不去了。好，等我下来再检查一下这个什么问题啊？看着应该是没有问题。哦，括号。哎呀，好，OK 啊，the compilation was successful 啊。the run is I the keywords is run and这个括号啊，我用的是中文格式啊。我输入的时候，这个括号用了那个 Chinese input format 啊，this 这个括号啊，我刚才用了中文的输入的那个括号啊。所以注意啊 ，not please，you use this program must be English format 啊。但是我有时候会那个把它混成中文的这个输入法就不对了啊。好，OK 啊。好，OK。We create a symbol file was success 啊。We create a symbol 啊。I use the symbol later. I use symbol later. 好，This is a 7-segment decoder circuit 啊。It is the same with the last one. 啊。This is the top circuit 啊，top circuit 啊。I will show the process again 啊。I will design the top of the circuit. Not please. This is a counter 13 symbol. Counter 13. There are two output signal. QA is ones place of the result. QB is the tens place of the result. This represent one decimal. Another represent another one decimal. Decimal. Okay. Counter top. Counter 30 top. Okay. Okay. This is the top circuit. Top circuit. Look. Look. The counter with the counter value less than 10. So we design the top circuit like this. We design the counter with the counter value more than 10. The top circuit like this. Because in the circuit there are two output decimal number. There are two output decimal number. So this 好了，这就是我们the compilation was success. Success 好后面的过程我们就 omit omit 后面的这个the simulation wave I omit the simulation wave 我就省略了为了节省时间。好了，今天我们课就上这么多好，上这么多的话。我们的课就上这么多今天的课好，我们来说一下the experimental file 1 design counter with the value 6 gives the result of the simulation. 2. Design 7-segment decoder gives the result of the simulation. 3. Design top circuit. Handling the work on Drew 7. 7号教啊，注意啊 ，not please the homework format must be this student ID and plus experimental number 啊。如果你不写这个 number 的话，有些人什么第一次的、第二次的又交过来了啊，都混到一起去了啊。must be like this like this student ID plus experimental number 啊。
Okay,
five 不写那个序号的话，乱七八糟的啊！有些人现在还在交第一次、第二次的作业，太烦了啊！你都混到一起，怎么弄啊？是吧？所以一定要 must be right